Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to send a video with text to a chat on WhatsApp web, right from your computer using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to do this easily and smoothly, stay tuned, because I'll walk you through everything in just a few moments. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser. You can log in by scanning the QR code on your phone if you aren't already signed in. Once your chats are loaded, find and open the conversation where you want to send your video. It can be an individual chat or a group. Either works perfectly. Now, take a look at the message bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon, usually to the left of the typing area. Click on that AE plus icon. A small menu will pop up giving you a few options for what you can send. Choose photos and videos from that list. Your file explorer will open automatically. From there, browse your folders and select the video you want to share. Once you found it, click open. The video will begin loading into WhatsApp web and you'll see a preview window appear with your selected video at the top and a text box below it. This is where the magic happens. If you'd like to include a message along with your video, just type your text in that box. It could be a caption, a short note, or anything you'd like to say before sending the clip. Once you've got your message ready, review everything one last time to make sure it looks the way you want. Then simply click the green Send button on the bottom right corner. Your video and text will be sent together in one smooth message. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video with text through WhatsApp web using the newest update. Try it out today and make your chats more interactive and personal, all without picking up your phone